Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I've just gone back over the last few days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This week, the trade ideas that have been posted into the VIP zone, and what we'll do is we'll quickly go over them and see how they're stacking up. I've marked them in green. Okay, so I think we've got 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start from the top down, Aussie CAD. Well, this one was on the 24th yesterday. So far, so good. Make sure you take 70% off and trail the rest. Risk-free trade. Aussie dollar. Again, this one, TP1 was reached. Okay, so you want to take 70% off, pull your stop loss up so that you're in the money and trail the rest. Euro yen was a sell. Same thing. TP1 reached, you want to take 70% off so that you're in the money, trail the rest. Euro dollar, okay, this one, exactly the same thing. Make sure you take your 70% and then you can pull your stop loss right up and trail the rest. Pound dollar, there was two of these. One was a sell and one was a buy. We sold this one here. Okay, so that one was quite a nice trade, and then we bought in at the bottom here and we're still trading this one up now. So that one's done and dusted. This one was, yesterday we shorted it and now we're trading it long. So it's in the money at the moment. Again, make sure you close 70% and trail the rest. The dollar CAD, this one, TP1 was reached. Okay, there was the entry. Right, so the idea is you take 70% off at TP1. Depending where your TP1 was. Okay, some of you may have got caught out, I'm not sure, but definitely to this level before it spiked up. It's still bearish. This is a stop run. Sometimes you'll get caught out. And then the dollar yen is the last one. We're in this one short at the moment. And I mean, last 7 trades, if TP1 is reached, I call it a winning trade because that's when you'll pull your stop loss down to better than break even. You know, or at least your stop loss is going to be in the money. And one thing that I do like to do is pull the stop loss. If this is entry, pull the stop loss in slightly above and just let it sit there. Okay, you're definitely in the money at that point. If you've taken your 70% off here with your stop loss in the money, that's a profitable trade. Let it sit there and see how we go. What I'll do as well now is we'll bring on the trend channel. And you can see why I'm taking these trades. A buy, this is a bullish trend. Trading in the cloud, but we can see we clearly have higher highs, higher lows here. So it's quite bullish. Okay, the euro yen. Again, now we've actually broken out of the cloud bearish. So I'm going for a short. Euro dollar was a buy. Clearly trading above the cloud. I went in on this pullback. Okay, so we're using the indicator. Now this was a counter trend, this one up the top here. Back down, and now we're long based on this breakout of the cloud, the pound dollar. Dollar CAD, breakout of the cloud short. This was quite a severe stop run. It's taken out quite a few people. Bearish break. Okay, I'll look for a short. And lastly, the dollar yen is a short. We're trading under the cloud. So guys, I mean, more or less 100% win rate, give or take, with that dollar CAD trade. Call it 90% if you want to. If you didn't take your 70% on that one and you got stopped out. Okay. You definitely did have an opportunity there. So, okay, now back to Discord. I want to show you this. Scroll up. I'm posting my trades. You can see this is on MT5. You get everything that I'm doing. Entry, live trade here, and I've got my buy limits in here. Stop losses, take profit. Okay, everything is very clearly presented. All the trade ideas. And we have tutorials, Traders Zone, link is below, and take it to the next level, guys. Join us in VIP. Go to my website over here to the store page. Try it for a month for that. Okay, so here's the 6 monthly option. I've said this in previous videos. You shout me a cup of coffee and cake and I'll share my success with you. This is extraordinary value. There's nothing like this anywhere out there. So don't hold back while this is heavily discounted. Join us. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.